What if there was a way that you could create social media channels and get millions and millions of views and followers and never use your face? Well, the great thing is that you can, and that's using faceless marketing. I'm going to show you a free training you can get access to if you ever wanted to do anything on social media, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and create a channel in a specific niche but never show your face because maybe you're camera shy, or you just do not want to show your face. You just kind of want to put some content out there to potentially get people to look at a product, program, or whatever else you might be promoting. This training is going to show you how to do it. So if you've never been to my channel, my name is Howie Perks. On my channel, I share tips and training on what has helped me in affiliate marketing and online marketing. And I'm part of a community called the Internet Income System, where I can invite you for free to get in and get access to training like this. This is just one of the trainings. I'll show you some of the other ones you can get access to. But this is Chris Reckert, the guy here in the background. He's an 8-figure marketer. He's been marketing online for years, and he's made a ton of money doing it. And in this training, he's going to teach you step by step how to create those social media channels, what you need to do to get started, and how to structure them, how to find your niche, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to walk you through and show you what you're going to get. As you see, this is episode 1, Faceless Marketing 101, with an hour and 45 minutes of content. And as you see here, it's broken down on what you're going to learn. So let's take a look at what Chris is going to teach you. He's going to teach you all about faceless marketing. Now, again, if you're not sure what faceless marketing is, you see it all the time. If you go to YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, and you see a channel, maybe there's a video that's like going viral and they're not using their face, that's your faceless content. And that's where a lot of people use other people's content, and Chris will teach you how to do that in this training on how you can actually take a viral video and utilize that video yourself on your channel in whatever specific niche that you're choosing. And then from there, you can learn how to bridge market. That's another training you can have access to, how you can take that niche. You can create a bridge, which will get them into whatever product or program that you're promoting, and it'll make more sense once you dive into the training. So it's going to teach you what faceless marketing is, give you some examples, types of channels, talks about the other people's content, which I just talked about, which is just huge these days. You'll see a viral video, and he'll teach you how to properly take that video, bring it in, maybe make it better, put it on your channel. And obviously, if it's a viral video for a reason, it's most likely going to go viral again if it's done properly. And that way, you can gain traction on your channel very, very, very quickly. Clipping long form content, he teaches you how to do that. How to take a video and clip it down into shorter segments, in order to put those on your channels for your niche. Long form content versus short form. Choosing your niche teaches you to choose a niche, and then also how to niche down and get real into the micro niches. And that's where the money is, when you really get particular, where you get into a niche that has raving fans, where basically their hair is on fire type. When you think about sports in general, if you talk about a certain team, those people's hair is on fire. Like, I'm an Eagles fan and I love Eagles, and I see stuff with the Eagles, I'm more likely going to participate in a conversation with the Eagles, as opposed to any other team. So it's just finding a niche like that, something that resonates with you, and and then building it out. And it doesn't have to be something that you love. I mean, it could be something completely different. Like, maybe you just see an opportunity in a niche where you want to start creating some content and get in front of that traffic. You'll learn how to do it properly here. He'll also go through the 4 main obstacles, or that block people's success when they're trying to create their faceless channel. That way you can learn what to do in order to not run into those same roadblocks that other people are running into. Faceless content funnel. And then once you're done with the session, the module, you can go ahead and mark complete, and this system will track it. You can go on to the second one, setting up faceless accounts. Let's see, he talks about, I'm not going to go through all this for time's sake, but just know it's a lot of information. There's an hour and 30 minutes here. So in module 2, he's talking about faceless Instagram profiles, faceless Facebook profiles, faceless TikTok accounts. So basically, he takes you through each social media channel. Well, maybe you don't want to do TikTok and you're all about Facebook. Well, you're going to learn how to do it on here, or vice versa. he's going to teach you how to do it on that specific channel. And once you understand the principles and the fundamentals of it, you'll be able to do it on any social media channel that you choose to, once you learn the strategies. And then also how to utilize Canva. In these trainings, he'll teach you, Chris will teach you the tools of the trade that work for him and that work for us as a community. And, that way, what tools out there will help you with what you're going to do with that. So once you're done with this, go ahead and click Mark Complete. Take it to using other people's content. Looks like in this session, this module, he's going to go deeper into utilizing other people's content. Again, that's, think about viral videos. A lot of videos out there just go viral for whatever reason. He'll go through examples of how you can take that video, download it, and get that into your faceless channel, utilizing it, utilizing that type of virality with that type of content. So another hour and 25 minutes. When you're done with this, Mark Complete. So again, it's tracking your whole process, just like, like if you're in school or in college, you're in an academy, this is a true training academy to be able to teach you how to do this properly, going through the steps. So we're 60% done. Let's go ahead, and I just want to go through this real quick. And then once you're done, Mark Complete. And now we're 100% done. You've gone through the Faceless Content Academy. This will be in here for you to rewatch over and over. And I highly recommend you do that, because repetition is where your success is going to come from. By, going in, making sure you're writing down your notes, taking action, and then going back and just making sure you're fine-tuning your process, because you're not going to get it right on the first time. Practice makes perfect, or perfect practice makes perfect with that. So again, this is free for you to get in. All you have to do is click on the link below this video and request an invite from me. And I will respond to you. And I'll make sure that you're a real person, because I'm going to weed out anybody who's got a fake email, because I'm limited on my invites. So I want to make sure that only serious people are getting in, so I'm not wasting my invites. But once you're inside, you're going to get access to this course. You're also going to get access to some other courses right away. So here's the Faceless Content Academy. You'll learn how to utilize bridge marketing, which will really help you in the faceless content. So these go hand in hand. Bridge marketing goes hand in hand with any marketing strategy that whatever you're going to do in your social media channels, bridge marketing is going to help you to be able to pick a niche, whatever product you have, and you're going to bridge that. And this is a great training for anyone out there looking to make money online. Paid Traffic Academy, YouTube Marketing Academy, and Viral Clipping. This kind of goes hand in hand with the Faceless Content Academy as well. So you'll get access to these trainings immediately. Once I send you an invite, you create your free account. You'll get in here and you'll be able to start listening to what Chris says, going through the modules. And then you're also invited to join us every Thursday for a live Zoom with Chris. Every week, Chris is going to go through another marketing strategy. This is just an awesome community where you can plug into. If you ever felt like you were alone and you didn't know what to do online, and you're out there just going to different YouTube channels and looking for help, trying to understand like how to do this, how to do that, just know this is a community. It's a real strong community. We all kind of know each other, and you get to participate in Q&As with Chris. And just know that once you watch Chris, you're going to realize the value that he delivers, and he knows what he's talking about on so many different topics of marketing. And he's a proven success. All you have to do is look him up on Facebook, and you'll see his Facebook posts get hundreds, if not thousands, of likes and comments, because he knows how to properly work the algorithm for Facebook and for whatever social media channel that you're looking to build on. So I have a Facebook training too I can send you. Once you set up your free account, I can also send you a Facebook training that we did privately that I was given permission to go ahead and give away as well. So I'll do that for you as well. So what will happen is I can send out invites. So what you'll do is click on the link below. It's going to take you to a Google form, and you're going to put your first name, your last name, and your best email in there. I'm going to get an email that you filled out the form. I'm going to respond to that email, and I'm going to say, hey, I saw you filled out the form. I just want to make sure you're real, kind of type thing. And then just respond to me back. And once I get a response back, I'll send you the invite, and the invite will be done through here. First name, last name, email, click send. You'll get an email from the Internet Income System inviting you to set up your free account. You'll go ahead and set up your free account. Again, once you set it up, you'll get instant access to these trainings, and then you'll also be invited to our weekly Zooms, and there'll be more trainings put in there for you, so you can be a free student and just sit and learn as much as you want. There is an opportunity to promote this, so if you like the value that you see in there, just keep that in the back of your mind. If you're an entrepreneur or an affiliate marketer or somebody who wants to make money online, that there's a way where you can promote this system just by inviting people to get in as free students, and then let the system do the work for you. It's basically, people can learn for free, but then as we move forward, there's going to be paid training courses, and if they ever buy anything, then they're going to be connected to you. And I can get into that in another video. I'm not going to get it into this video. So if you're ready to get into the course, again, click on the link below this video, fill out that form. I'll respond to you. And then once you respond back to me, I'll go ahead and get you that invite, and we'll get you in there so you can start doing your training. So Howie Perks here. I appreciate you coming to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you soon.